serverless video processing platform built for the AWS Lambda Hackathon. Video editing is expensive, slow, and doesn't scale. Marketing teams need 5 to 10 videos per week but lack time and budget. Auto-Vid transforms simple JSON specifications into professionally edited videos with AI voiceovers and smart audio mixing. Built on 3 AWS Lambda functions: Function 1, Submit Job validates and queues requests; Function 2, Video processor handles intensive editing with 10 GB memory; and Function 3, Get status tracks progress. Lambda containers enable complex video processing with MoviePy and FPEG, scaling from 0 to hundreds of concurrent jobs. Users submit declarative JSON specs defining video assets, timeline events, and TDS narration with precise timing control.
Sometimes we like to switch from one to the other. People have a fixed mindset because they believe that
Hay dos tipos de mentalidad que podemos cultivar. Una que ve problemas como oportunidades de aprender, y otra que los evita por miedo a fallar. Leverages Lambda, API Gateway, S3, SQS, DynamoDB, Polly, and CloudFormation. Auto-Vid solves real problems: automated social media content, e-commerce product demos, and multi-language localization at scale. This demonstration video's narration, background music, and sound effects were all generated and mixed using Auto-Vid itself, showcasing real production capabilities. Try Auto-Vid today.